Welcome to Monday's Market Outlook here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, my call sign is Wiz, and extremely fired up because tonight we're getting airborne with our Options Weapons School series, opening the doors to our squadron here at TGO, our trading squadron, so you can get to see all of our available services that can potentially empower you to become an incredible options trader. You think you're good? We're going to make you better. But before we talk about that, let's take a look at the markets here, folks. S&P 500, just like we talked about last week when we hit this 50-day moving average, I said this is not the Fred Sanford, folks. This isn't the big one, Elizabeth. I'm coming. I told you it was a BTFD moment, a buy the frigging dip, and that's exactly what it was. So we're bouncing off this 50-day moving average. A little bit of airspeed under our wings from Friday's job report. Huge jobs report on Friday, right? 222,000. I think the consensus was like $1.57 or whatever it was, but it blew it out of the water. Caveat that with, folks, that no offense to bartenders, waiters, waitresses, and house cleaning staff. I've done most of those jobs. Those aren't jobs that are going to get us to a 3% GDP that Trump is looking for, okay? And the biggest fly in your Chardonnay, didn't think I'd have an Alanis Morissette reference today, but there it is. The fly in the Chardonnay, folks, was the average hourly earnings went down. That's not good. We might be creating more jobs, but they're not paying well. So maybe that's why you didn't hear what's his face all over Twitter, saying, hey, everything's great. So stocks are, a little bit mixed right now. Steady as economic concerns ease. Strong U.S. jobs report. Gains in the dollar boost stocks as the bond market turmoil eases. Also, folks, oil. Oil's up. Oil down, blame the algos. You can be forgiven, folks, for not trying to understand oil, okay? I got guys that drink it for a living, okay? They don't even know a stock market exists. What the hell's Apple? I eat an apple. Nope. Even when these guys know or don't understand why oil's moving, why oil is, that's when you know you should probably push away from that table and go count cards somewhere else. So oil has stabilized in those lower 40s, WTI and Brent, which means equities are going to ignore it until when? One of the wisdoms you're going to learn this week in Options Weapons School is the market only cares what? When it cares. And if you haven't registered yet, there's still time. You can head to go.topgunoptions.com/OWS. That's if you don't understand what OWS is short for, don't register. It's short for Options Weapons School, okay? We're going to have 5 live trading and training sessions from tonight until Friday. Just register, folks, because even if you can't make it, I'm going to give you the recording, okay, and make sure you get access to it. And I'm also going to go throw in a $45 value of our Options Pocket checklist and our trade plan as well, okay? So make sure you register, and we'll be good to go, okay? Just knocked out a weekly Options Live trade brief. We have an Apple bear call spread on and an SPX bear call spread on, and I'm going to look to leg into an iron condor on those if the SPX kind of stabilizes here in addition to Apple. Love our financial positions, love our JP Morgan, has been absolutely printing money, JP Morgan. Take a look at a stock at JP Morgan. Jim Cramer comes around on Friday and says, I love JP Morgan at 100. I was a dude that said, I love it at 82, and it's been on a tear since then, and if you come tonight, we're going to talk about all these positions, okay? All right, folks, I got to run. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. I'll see many of you tonight at 8 o'clock in Options Weapons School. Head to go.topgunoptions.com/OWS, and I'll see you guys tonight.